If you want to know what is the importance of keywords in SEO content writing, then this video is for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I'm your dedicated instructor from an expert team of makblogs. In our previous lecture, we explored what keywords are with practical examples. Today, we will learn what is the importance of keywords in SEO content writing with examples. Remember, you can access the full makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. First, why keywords matter? Keywords are the building blocks of online content. Let me show you why they hold such immense importance. First, we have visibility. Keywords make your content visible to search engines and in turn to potential readers or customers. For example, if you have written a blog post about the latest smartphone trends and you use relevant keywords like best smartphones 2023, your content is more likely to show up when someone searches for that exact term. Next, we have relevance. Using the right keywords ensures your content is relevant to what people are searching for. Imagine you have an online fashion store and you use keywords like trendy summer dresses in your product descriptions. When someone searches for exactly that, your store appears and they find what they were looking for. Next, we have traffic generation. Keyword attract organic traffic to your website, boosting your reach. Suppose you are running a travel blog and you optimize your articles with keywords like budget travel tips. When people search for ways to save money while traveling, they find your blog and your traffic increases. Next, we have competitive edge. They help you stand out from competitors and discover untapped niches. Let's say you are a fitness coach and you identify a keyword gap for 30-day home workout plans. By creating content around this keyword, you tap into an audience that others may have overlooked. Next, we have connection. Keywords create a connection with your audience by speaking their language. For example, if you are running a cooking blog and you use keywords like quick and easy family recipes, you are addressing the needs of busy parents searching the meal ideas, right? Next, we have user engagement. Well optimized content leads to higher user engagement and longer time spent on your site. For example, if you have an online tech magazine and you use keywords like in-depth smartphone reviews, readers interested in detailed information will spend more time exploring your reviews. Got it? Next, we have conversion rates. The right keywords can improve conversion rates, turning visitors into customers. Suppose you have an e-commerce site selling gardening tools and you optimize product pages with keywords like best quality garden shears. When users search for top quality shears, they are more likely to make a purchase. Next, we have trend adaptation. Keywords help you stay up to date with current trends and user interest. For example, if you run a beauty blog and notice the keyword sustainable skincare gaining popularity, creating content around this trend keeps your audience engaged. Next, content planning. Keywords guide you content planning, ensuring it addresses what your audience want. Let's say you manage a YouTube channel about pet care and keyword research reveals high interest in puppy training tips. Planning and creating content around this topic caters to your viewers' need. Last, we have performance tracking. Keywords allow you to measure the success of your content and make improvements. For example, if you are a digital marketer, tracking keyword ranking help you see which strategies are working and where adjustments are needed to achieve better results. In conclusion, we can say that keywords are not merely words. They serve as the key connectors to achieving success in SEO content writing. In our upcoming lessons, we will explore a deeper understanding of mastering keywords for your content. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining Lecture 10. If you are seeking exceptional digital services including SEO, content writing, and more, visit our website or contact us now. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.